Right there, Captain. It wasn't there a moment ago.
Steady as she goes.
Identify that signature.
Get to the higher levels, quickly!
Oh God, it's coming down!
Help me, please help me. Heave! Put your back into it!
It's not moving fast enough.
We're almost there, keep going.
Women and children first. Straight this way, quickly now. Steady on the ropes.
Good heavens, what is that? It's holding the ship!
It can't be real!
This is the Coast Guard. All passengers proceed to the starboard side for evacuation.
Thank you! Thank you! We made it! We are safe now!
Goodbye, thank you, Hulk. We'll never forget you.
Sir, on behalf of my wife and I, accept our deepest gratitude. Thank you, Hulk. You save us. We are so grateful.
I honestly thought we were gunners when that wave hit.
To the Coast Guard!
Best cuppa I've had in ages.
What did you see out there, sir?
It was unbelievable. He saved us all. I can't believe the Hulk was here.
I swear it was massive. He grabbed the side of the boat and just ripped it open. Looked exactly like the Hulk.
Oh, darling, I knew you'd make it.
I'm home, love. I'm finally home.
Absolutely massive, isn't it?
Yes, quite stunning in this light.
Cheers to the Britannia and thank you, Hulk. We made it. Breaking news, the Green Guardian has saved the crews.
نعم، لقد أنقذهم جميعا. إنه بطل حقيقي.